Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a local script in Starter Player Scripts. This runs for each player and is where input reliably fires. Next, get user input service via game get service and cache any other services you need. Choose which input types matter, keyboard, gamepad, or touch, because handling differs slightly. Once done, set up named actions or raw input listeners so you can test quickly. This early setup ensures input is responsive and secure, letting you build the rest of the system without permission or replication issues. You should now bind handlers. Use user input service. Input began and input ended for direct captures or context action service. Bind action for remappable commands. Make sure to filter inputs. If a text box is focused or a UI modal is open, return early to avoid misfires. Also map different input enums to a single action name, so a keyboard key and a gamepad button both trigger the same logic. Once that mapping is established, your gameplay code reads clear, consistent actions instead of scattered device checks. Finish by connecting your unified actions to gameplay. Call handlers that include simple debouncing and rely on run service timing when precision matters. You should also add a small debug overlay or prints so you can confirm inputs across keyboard, gamepad, and mobile. This speeds troubleshooting. If something fails, check focus state and whether context action service overrides bindings, rebind or unbind as needed. Finally, clean up by unbinding actions on player removal. This avoids lingering listeners and mysterious bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.